everyone! In today's video, we are doing a creative portrait photo shoot on the Sony a7 III with the G Master 85mm f1.4 lens. So we are shooting in a pretty average park that you can find kind of in any suburb. So I'm looking for really beautiful backlight to shoot our portraits because I really want to go for a soft, almost kind of fairy tale doll-like vibe for the photo shoot. And I'm also looking for really nice leaves or trees or shrubbery for the background so we can get some really nice bokeh since we're using an 85mm lens. So today's model is Georgette, Lydia has done hair and makeup, and Dan is behind the camera filming today's behind the scenes. We're gonna get started, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Okay, I wanted to sit on the second step, and then you can kind of lean over with your elbow to like the next one. Yeah. That looks really nice. Could you bring your elbow out? Yeah. And then maybe bring your hand towards your body? Yeah. You want to, if you tilt your head into your shoulder. Oh, the sun just came out. It looks so good. Oh, could you pop your elbow out again? Yeah, it just makes your arm look a little bit longer. Beautiful. And then with your other hand, I don't know if you wanted to kind of like rest it on your head maybe. And then do you want to sit up and you can kind of lean over? Yeah, that's really pretty. Yeah, I want this one to be kind of like quite like broken doll vibes. Okay. Like really hunched over and yeah, beautiful. I like it with your head tilted that way. Yeah. Yeah, that looks cool. Let me get a close up there. And then did you want to do one with your elbows on your knees? You can kind of rest your head on your hands. And then thinking, oh, kind of like that was nice, yeah. I'll get like a super close up here. I like that little bushy bit with the flowers. Oh, up here, sorry. Oh, that one. Yeah. That looks really cool. Oh, that was pretty. Let me get a real close-up of your face here. It looks really nice. Do you want to bring both your hands up to your shoulders so you're like kind of hugging yourself? Do you want to bring just one knee up if you put your foot like, yeah, flat on the floor like that? And then if you wanted to bring your knee on top of the other one. Do you want to do some with your arms kind of resting on your head maybe? And then can we also do some, a little bit off-brand to this shoot, but like some happy kind of spinny ones if you wanted to like smile and stuff.
It's so hard to like smile on you.
I know, but you're doing good. You can like close your eyes and kind of look up and stuff as well if you want. Perfect. And then if you can kind of like softly like sway a little bit so there's a tiny bit of movement to the dress. All right, and then let's go down to the pink building. I think you maybe just hear like half sun. And then we'll go into the shade as well. The sun just got super bright. I was actually thinking, would you mind like crouching?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. Let me get kind of front on. I like that with your hands up a little bit higher, yeah. Nice. Oh, I've got so many mosquito bites. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that looks so cool. This is the dreamy I'm looking for. So you can bring your hands kind of up to your face as well. Oh my gosh, I love this spot. Nice, let me get some close-ups here as well. Yeah, just with your hands down as well like that. Perfect. Oh, I liked your head kind of on an angle, yeah. That looks nice though. And then can we also try one if you kind of hold your hands like that and kind of lean forward a bit, and I'll shoot like from down below up, then kind of like with your chin up almost. a bit weird, but. Do you want to join in? Do you want to do like a little spin there? We'll see if we can get like a cool movement shot. All right, I'm gonna get a couple more landscapes so there's some negative space above you. You're like, okay. I like this front on, yeah. Beautiful. Might do one more sitting down if that's okay.
Just here?
Yeah, since it's the last one, we'll just get this super dirty. I was like, he sounded cute. Could you possibly bring one foot in so I could see one of the boots? Yeah, pretty. Rest your hand under your chin or like on the side of your face. A little bit more. I can see it.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's so pretty. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, it is too. Hi, Mungo. Does he remember us?
Mungo.
Hello. It's too zoomed in. Oh, hopefully we got one. And just a couple straight onto me as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's photo shoot. I would love to know which ones were your favorite photos and locations in the comments down below. For me, I think my favorites were right at the end when we were shooting amongst that low-lying branch. We had some really beautiful depth from all the leaves and really nice bokeh as well. By the way, if you have seen my aperture change throughout the photo shoot for different photos and you're not sure why, most of the time I accidentally just kind of touch it with my thumb because the aperture ring is on the lens for this lens. So that's why it's not always at f1.4. But anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I make new videos every single week, so I will see you guys all next time. Bye.